You driving? I should back up. There we go. Woo! Do you get your hands dirty? I'll get, you want that blade of grass off your hand? Done. Done. Whoops. Go down the slide. Show Mama how you go down the slide. Yeah. Here she comes. Ah, come on up. Come on up. Hoppa. Are you going to go down face first this time? No. Well, that's a funny sound. Come on down. Come on down. Whee! Whee! You got stuck. Whee! Well, that was anticlimactic, wasn't it? You got stuck on your tutu. Try again. Wee, wee. Are you a little French girl? Wee, wee. Hey, yucky. Yucky. Whoops! Whoops! Maybe we should move the duck. Move the duck. And the tiger. And the flowers. Okay. I. Emily, yucky. Hey, Emily, before you come down, can you show me where your head is? Yeah. Where's your nose? Yes. Where's your ear? Oh, wee. Where's your ear? Where's your ear? You're busy. I understand. Up, up, down, down.
No.
What?
No.
Why? What?
No.
Yes. Yes. Ew. That is a lot of drool, my friend. You're silly. Uh-oh. Is your foot stuck? You got it. Whee! Why don't you wipe your chin? Emily, go like this. Wipe your chin. Airplane. Yeah? Where's the airplane? Yes. Airplane. Like this. Airplane. Airplane. That looks kind of like a bird. Emily, where's your chin? Yeah, go like this. Go like this. Chin. Can you wipe the slobber off your chin? No? Shoo. Emily. Attack! Again? Again? Emily, where's the duck? What? Huh? Where's the duck? Emily,
No.
can you bring me the duck?
No.
No?
No.
Please?
No.
Can you bring me the duck?
No.
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 Huh? What?
Look.
Buck?
Look.
Bug? Was there a bug on the stairs? What's ew? What? It's starting to rain, Pumpkin. We're gonna have to go inside soon. Okay, go down the slide. Mom's gonna turn off the camera. Okay, that looks like it's gonna end in disaster. No? Whoop! Ow. Can you bring me the duck? Bring Mama the duck. Okay, fine. Bye-bye.